this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simply beautiful Z-fold card with the Leaves of Holly bundle. Here is my Z-fold card using the Leaves of Holly bundle, which is part of the Boughs of Holly suite, which includes the bundle with stamps and dies to cut everything out, as well as little label dies. And also includes the designer series paper, Boughs of Holly, with all these pretty designs. Then we have the woven ribbon, which is very nice. And we have the textural elements, which are balsa wood, and they're like little holly berry. So for this card, we're going to start with an 11 by 4 1/4. And we're going to score it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. I'm going to flip it over to the other side so that I have the good side of the cardstock showing. I've cut out some designer series paper from the Boughs of Holly, and I wanted to use this polka dot one. I think it's really pretty. I think the poinsettias on the other side are very pretty too. And then we have this piece with more. And we're going to put this piece on the front. And then I have already cut out some stitched rectangles. I have 2 in white and 2 in green. So I'm going to add the garden green one to the inside of the card, just right in the middle. And on this, I'm going to stamp in garden green one of the sentiments. So there is 2 friends near and far. And there is also from our home to yours. So I'm going to do the from our home to yours just right in the center. And then I will adhere this to the inside. And then on the outside, I'm going to adhere this green one, but I'm only going to put adhesive on one side. And then I'm going to stamp Christmas wishes on the bottom here. I will adhere this to the middle here. Now I'm going to stamp the leaves and some berries. So I'm going to start with the detailed large leaf. There's a detailed large leaf and small leaf. So we've got the large one. Okay, so now the finishing touches to the card. We are going to add these with dimensionals. And then I'm just going to add a couple of red rhinestones over here. And there we have our simple holly berry Z-fold card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know after you order that you would like this card kit. I know that the dies are not available until the last week in December. So if you order the kit, I will die cut the pieces for you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial using the Leaves of Holly bundle, part of the Boughs of Holly suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you catch all of my videos and live videos by clicking on the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.